Hi, hello, good morning. I hope you're doing well. And speaking of well, today I am going to show you how to make these delicious little oat bars. Well, that's enough chit chat for me. Let's get started. This recipe produces about 10 oat bars. In one serving, you'll find 205 calories, 4 grams of fat, 4.9 grams of protein, and 37 grams of carbs. All right, so as usual, the two things that you gotta do first is preheat your oven to 375 degrees, and the next is to prep your ingredients. So take about 5 minutes to do all of that, and then all of this comes together so quickly. Starting with the dry ingredients, in a bowl, we're gonna add 3 cups or 320 grams of rolled oats. I'm actually using the quick cook oats, but I just like how they absorb really quickly. You don't have to use those. You can use the rolled oats, the regular ones, up to you. Then I'm adding in a 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 3 tablespoons of flaxseed, ground flaxseed of course, and just a pinch of salt. Quickly mix all of that together. All right, that's done. Let's get another bowl and do the wet ingredients. In a smaller bowl, you're gonna combine your applesauce, 3/4 cup or 180 grams, your vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon, 1/2 cup of maple syrup, 150 grams, give or take depending on how sweet you like it. Then I'm gonna add in 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, and finally, about 1 cup or 230 grams of almond milk. So quickly just mix this up and then we're gonna add it to the dry. So like I said, we're gonna add in the wet to the dry mixture. Make sure you get all of that delicious goodness into the bowl. And then just mix it up. There's one more ingredient that we're gonna add, but I wanna get this fully incorporated before we add the last. All right, we're in a good spot right now. Things are looking peachy. So, last ingredient, some chopped up frozen strawberries. You can use fresh. I'm going with the frozen just because I don't want it to bleed into the bars, if that makes any sense. All right, just a couple of turns of the spoon and we're done. So now I'm going to put some parchment paper into this 8x8 baking tray and then pour the mixture on top. I've only got parchment paper coming up and out of on two sides of the pan. It's just for added insurance, just so it's easy liftage. Is that a word? All right, this is looking nice and smooth. Like I said, 375 degrees. It's gonna go in for about 30 to 35 minutes, but keep an eye on it. In my opinion, this is a great little switch up for breakfast. I really hope you'll give this recipe a go. And if you do, make sure to check out all the other videos on the channel as well as the website. And let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.